Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to delete cookies in Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you want to delete and clear the cookies in Google Chrome. There may just be for one specific site or email. To look for all of them doesn't matter. We'll guide you through this step by step. First of all, in Chrome, you need to go to the top right and go and tap the three dots like so. You go and get this list of options, and you need to come down to the bottom and go and click on Settings like so in your settings. Come over to the left and you need to go and find the option Privacy and Security like so. Then you want to come into the list Privacy and Security and find the option Third-Party Cookies, and you can go and click there. You can go down this list and find See All Site Data and Permissions and click there, and then you go and see the different sites. So what you can then do is, if you want to go clear cookies for a specific site, you can search for or just scroll down and find it. Click the trash icon to the right and you can then go and confirm a decision and press delete. And if you want to delete it all, you can click on the Delete All button at the top here and do it for all sites.